Mastering your finances, creating and managing a budget. Welcome back, fellow financial enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting, a fundamental practice that can transform the way we manage and control our finances. Whether you're saving for that dream vacation or trying to eliminate debt, budgeting can be a game changer. So, grab your notepads and pens because we're about to explore the benefits of budgeting, learn how to create an effective budget, discover awesome budgeting tools, and get tips for successful budget management. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is budgeting? Simply put, a budget is like a financial roadmap that guides us through our income, expenses, and savings. It gives us a clear picture of where our hard-earned money is coming from and where it's going. But wait, it's not just for individuals. Businesses can also benefit from budgeting to make informed financial decisions. Now that we understand what budgeting is, let's talk about why it's so incredible. First off, budgeting helps us track and control our spending. By keeping a close eye on our expenses, we can find those areas where we can cut back and save more money. But that's not all. With a well-managed budget, we can achieve our financial goals. Want to buy a home, go on that dream vacation, or pay off your debt? Budgeting can get you there. Feeling inspired yet? Great! Now, let's get practical. Creating an effective budget is easier than you might think. Follow these steps. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. You need to know your income sources and all those regular expenses you have. Step 2. Set financial goals. Whether it's short-term or long-term objectives, like saving for a specific amount each month or paying off a credit card debt within a year, setting goals is crucial. Step 3. Allocate income and expenses. Divide your income into categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and of course, savings. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method. We have a bunch of options, like the zero-based budget or the 50-30-20ths method. Find the one that suits you best. Are you a tech-savvy budget enthusiast? You're in for a treat. There are fantastic budgeting tools and apps that make the process even more accessible. We've got Mint, YNAB, Pocket Guard, and many more. These tools help you track spending, set limits, and provide those helpful financial insights. Now, let's fine-tune our budgeting skills with some tips for success. Tip 1. Be realistic. Set attainable goals and remember not to overestimate income or underestimate expenses. Tip 2. Identify unnecessary expenses. Let's cut back on those non-essential items to free up more money for savings and those important goals. Tip 3. Monitor and adjust regularly. Keep an eye on your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Tip 4. Stay motivated and disciplined. We all know it's not always easy, but remembering your financial goals and the benefits of budgeting will keep you on the right path. Budgeting can be a bit trickier for freelancers or self-employed individuals with irregular incomes. But fret not. We've got some solutions to help you manage it like a pro. Debt can be intimidating, but with budgeting, you can tackle it head-on. We'll show you how to prioritize high-interest debts and work on paying them off faster. Budgeting isn't just about spending less. It's about saving and investing too. We'll cover short-term and long-term savings, and why building an emergency fund is a financial lifesaver. No more stressing over holidays or vacations. We'll teach you how to budget for those special occasions so you can enjoy them without breaking the bank. Financial education is vital, starting from a young age. We'll discuss how teaching budgeting skills to kids can set them up for a bright financial future. Everybody makes mistakes, and budgeting is no exception. But fear not. We've got the most common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes they come with a hefty price tag. But worry not. We'll show you how to build an emergency fund to cover those unexpected expenses. It's time to think long-term. We'll discuss the importance of incorporating long-term financial planning into your budget. Congratulations! You've now become a budgeting wizard. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial dreams. With clear goals, effective tools, and a little discipline, you'll be in full control of your money and build a secure financial future. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy budgeting.